right, we're going to make our confetti bookmark today. You're going to start with your contact paper that is 3 squares wide, and you're going to want to remove the backing of that. This may take a little bit, unless you have an easy peel section. Then I find the best thing to do is, using a little of your confetti, put one piece of confetti in each of the corners of your contact paper. This allows it makes it easier for you to be able to see your contact paper once you've laid it flat on the table. Just remember that when you lay it on the table, that you lay it sticky side up. It may be a little hard to let go, but the nice thing is those confetti hearts help. So now you're going to take your confetti and you're going to sprinkle it across your contact paper. Now you can choose to lay them individually if you'd like, but I like to sprinkle them randomly as it gives it more of a real confetti feel. Use as much or as little as you like. If you happen to notice that some of your confetti is standing up rather than laying flat, just push them down. You can try to move them around a little bit, but once it's on the contact paper, it's pretty much stuck to the contact paper. Now you want to take your other sheet of contact paper, the one that is 4 blocks wide, and you're going to peel the back off of that. Then you want to hold it so that the non-sticky side is facing you and the sticky side is out, and you're going to form it into a U shape, making sure that the sticky side is out. You can also call it a raindrop shape. It's a little hard to see, so let me show you using another piece of contact paper. So you want it to look like this shape, remember, with the sticky side out. Then the bottom of that U you want to place in the center of your bookmark on the table, and then just kind of press it just a little. And then you're going to slowly lower one side down, kind of rolling it towards the edge, and then just give it a slight press, and then do that on the other side. Then you want to really kind of smooth it out. If you notice any air, don't worry about that. If you notice any air pockets, you want to try to smooth those out. You may get wrinkles. Don't worry about them. They just add a little character to your bookmark. But you just really want to make sure that the contact paper is well sealed. Then, using the white bookmark shape that we gave you, you're going to use that to help you cut out, because you'll notice some sides are still sticky because of the wider contact paper. But just lay it the way you want it, and then using that white bookmark, you can use it as a form to begin cutting out the proper shape. This allows you to remove all of that excess stickiness. And then once you're done cutting, just a few more snips here, and you will have your confetti bookmark. There we go. Now your very own confetti bookmark for you to use. We hope you enjoy.